If you are looking for a reliable battery that can last for over 20 years, then the Powerwall GSL 5000U to 10000U by GSL Energy is exactly what you're looking for. We manufactured this battery using lithium iron phosphate cells that are one of the safest and more stable than other battery types. In addition to the increased safety, lithium iron phosphate batteries can deliver high amounts of current and power without overheating, over 8,500 charge cycles and 80% depth of discharge. When it comes to capacity, the Powerwall GSL battery is available in two models. First, the 5.12 kilowatt-hour GSL 5000U model that weighs only 60.5 kilograms and has a maximum discharge current of 100 ampere-hour. The second one is the larger 10.24 kilowatt-hour GSL 10000U, which has a 200 ampere-hour maximum current discharge and weighs around 102.5 kilograms. Both models have a 44 to 58 operating voltage and of the same size, 735 by 525 by 190 millimeters. This relatively small size makes this storage system very easy to install and compatible with both wall and floor mounting, which is a serious plus for anyone with limited space. The GSL 5000U to 1000U is also compatible with most hybrid inverters in today's market. To give you full control over your storage system, we built this battery with a first-class modular design, allowing up to 163 kilowatts capacity and making them suitable for both residential and industrial applications. Furthermore, we equipped each battery with an independent building management system, also known as BMS, so you can easily manage and monitor your system operation and grid response using the GSL app. Thanks to the reliability and high quality of our battery, we have passed the European IEC Safety Performance Test, the Australian CEC Listing Test, the North American UL and the Japanese JET certifications. In warranty terms, we offer a 20-year product warranty for both of our models. For shipping, we pack 240 pieces per 40-foot container. Since 2006, GSL Energy has been a leading lithium-ion battery manufacturer dedicated to bringing green power to the world. Today, we have 4 production lines in Shandong, Sichuan, Zhejiang and Guangdong that supply top-notch batteries to clients all over the world. In addition to the Lithium LiFePO4 batteries, we also manufacture high-quality hybrid inverters, EV batteries and smart solar energy systems.